Wave formation clouds.
Oh.
It's a rare phenomenon.
Is this rare? Oh, may cloud, may ano nga naman?
Wave.
Wave formation. Tingnan natin kung ano yung wave formation na yan. Wave formation of the clouds. Okay. Oh.
Why is Foxy here?
No, yeah, just this side.